I am Charvee, soft skills trainer with CTLD TMU. Today, I am going to talk about what is resume and why should we create one. A resume is a document that summarizes a person's qualifications for a job, typically including their work experience, education, skills, and accomplishments. It's essentially a marketing tool to convince potential employers that you are the right person for the position. Here's why CTLD focuses on teaching resume writing. First, landing the interview. A strong resume is often the first impression you make on a potential employer. It can get your foot in the door by effectively showcasing your skills and experience. Second, getting ready for the job market. Knowing how to create a compelling resume is a valuable skill for anyone entering the job market, increasing their chances of landing interviews and getting hired. Third, for career development. Resume writing is an ongoing process. As you gain experience and new skills, being able to update your resume effectively is important throughout your career. Therefore, in conclusion, a well-written resume is a key tool for anyone looking to land a job. By teaching resume writing, we can equip our students with the skills and knowledge they need to navigate the job market and achieve their career goals.